Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Skoda Felicia. Most people will concede that today's Skodas are nothing to be laughed at. They're among the most reliable and best built European cars you can buy. However, Skodas of a certain age still feel buyers with trepidation. In the case of the Felicia, it really shouldn't. It was built after the company got its act together, so what you get for your money, and a lot of it is a very solid and dependable little hatchback. There's plenty of room front and back. The big boot makes this one of the most practical cars in the class. The build quality was right up there with the Volkswagens of the day, a big improvement over earlier Skodas. The drive is in exactly a thrill minute, but it is by no means appalling, and the ride is pretty good. The engines are sufficiently punchy and impressively economical. The reputation for wretched reliability is suffered by Skoda of yesteryear was well deserved. However, the cars are now among the most reliable you can buy, and the good news is the Felicia was built after the company's rebirth. There are a few things to look out for, though early cars may well have problems with rust by now, and faults with the transmission and electrics are uncommon either, so make sure the car drives smoothly with no suspect noises and that all the electrical functions work properly. If you're buying the 1.3, check the service history to make sure that routine maintenance has been carried out rigorously. This engine has been known to suffer a leaking head gasket if not maintained properly. Check for water or white residue under the oil filler cap for signs of trouble. This suspension would benefit from a thorough inspection too, because this is a common reason for MOT test failure. The entry-level engine is a 1.3 liter petrol in base LX trim. This gets to 54 bhp, which is a bit too sluggish. However, with the loftier LXI and GLI trims, it gets a more palatable 68 bhp, which feels meatier, although it's not that much faster in reality. The entry-level model also misses out on basic kit such as power steering and a driver's airbag. The next engine up is 1.6 liter petrol with 75 bhp. This extra power is useful, and it doesn't cost much more to buy than the 1.3, but fuel economy suffers a little. It's available with GLXY, G and SLXI trims, and both get power steering, metallic paint and anti-lock brakes, while the SLXI gets air conditioning, passenger airbag and alloy wheels. There's also a 1.9 liter diesel, but fuel economy is much better than the petrols and performance is similar to the entry-level 1.3. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.